Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox. What we're going to do today is we have been working on the wind turbine. But one thing that I also wanted to do was to upgrade my power distribution panel, which is going to be, I'm going to be implementing a pure sine wave inverter. I went from 1800 watts to 3000 watts. And kind of cleaning up the board, painted it, kind of refreshed everything. So let me take you out here to the shop and let's go check it out. Well, here's my new power inverter, and it's a pure sine wave inverter. And this is my charge controller. I've had it for a long time. This is something new that I've added. This is going to be for the wind generator or the wind turbine, and it's going to be a brake, or in the down position it'll be for charge. And the reason why the brake, say like if you have real high wind speeds around 50, 60 miles an hour, you may not want the wind generator to operate, and this will enable you to stop the generator from charging. This is a little better look of this brake and charge switch. What I have is my wires coming out of the alternator that's going to be mounted on the tower, and instead of using the bridge rectifier inside the alternator, I mounted this one here on the board. And I've just ran my wires. I used a heavy extension cord, and this is AC voltage right here. So probably I'm going to make some sort of plastic cover that I can just drop over this so nobody's tempted to be touching stuff. And but it's just a regular Delco type bridge rectifier. It's got diodes in it and converts your three-phase power to just a regular negative and positive power. I take that and I go into my switch, and basically what the brake is that you're shorting between the ground side and the positive side here, and that works like a brake on keeping the alternator from turning. This box is something new that I've added. I've got my circuit breaker here, and I have a couple of meters that I'm going to install in here. One is going to show the condition of the batteries, and then the other one is going to show whether or not I'm putting out enough AC voltage. So I'm going to have a DC voltage and an AC voltage meter. Here I ran a conduit up and over to the outside wall, and that's how I'm going to get the power from the pole over here to the panel. Here is my 300 amp fuse for that 3000 watt inverter. It actually recommends that you use a 350 amp fuse, but I'm going to play it safe for a little while and use a little lower amp fuse and just make sure everything operates as I plan it to work, and we can always get some larger fuses at a different time. Here's my battery bank. It's 4 6-volt golf cart batteries, and I've got them hooked up in series so they'll equal up to 12 volts. And so I'm pretty happy with how that's working. I know there's a lot of options out there on batteries, just depending on how much you want to spend and how high tech you want to go. But this works pretty well for me, so I'm pretty happy. So anyway, guys, that's what we've done in preparation for putting up the wind turbine. And so now probably what I'll do next video is I'll go out there and we'll lower the tower down, slide the wind turbine on, and make preparations to see if I can stand that tower up by myself. That may be a video all its own, I don't know. But anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.